Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So welcome to the first episode of #Cookye. Ang pangit. Okay, sige, fine. Cooking with Skye na lang para mas kaaya-aya pakinggan. Para naman yung Cookye. Alam niyo ba yung Cookye? For today's recipe, we are gonna make dynamite. Baka akala nyo dynamite na bomba, guys, ha? Hindi siya ganon. Actually, kakatapos ko lang mag-edit, tapos intro na lang yung kulang, which is I'm making it right now. So, please cooperate. Wow. Dynamite yung tawag sa kanya kasi sasabog talaga yung taste niya sa bibig nyo kasi super anghang. First of all, it's super anghang, but at the same time, it's really tasty. AF. Kaya po pala siya tinawag na dynamite ay dahil sa stem niya na it looks like a fuse sticking out of it, and because it does have a chili pepper taste to it. So yun. So if you guys want to know the ingredients and the procedure, then let's get started.
Ooh, I know that you I know that Ooh, I know that you I know that
ayun na, thank you guys so much for watching my Cookye show. Pinanindigan talaga yung Cookye show. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if gagawa or if may bala kayong gumawa ng dynamite sa bahay nyo, comment down below or tag me in your photos. So, yeah, I will see you guys on my next vid. And don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!